Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video is composed of things that I tinkered with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you can click on the links in the comment section below. This video should contain tips and tricks of things that I've learned throughout the year. Now, I only plan on leaving this video posted for about 30 days. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you very much for watching. My buddy Santos picked up another Volvo T5M. Same color as that 850 he had that got smashed. It's supposed to be a 98. It's got 850 wheels on it. Rare T5s with the cloth interior. And these are the wheels that come on the T5s. I thought they were the 850 wheels at first. I think it's a good grab. The only flaw is that door guard there. Other than that, it's good to go. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the parking brake cable from the Volvo. This is a 960 92 model. Basically, this cable has a clip that holds it in that bracket. Then the cable goes down to the center pole, comes in here, and it's stuck behind the hub. First thing you do is get a 10mm, pull this pin out that secures the rotor to the hub. Then you get a 13mm and you take the two brake bracket bolts out for the caliper. That's 13mm. This is 10. Let me do that, pick it back up. Tap this loose and pry this off. So may have rust on it. Get a hammer or something. Break it loose, pry it off. It just comes right off. Next, you take the parking brake shoes out. You got a little weird looking spring thing here. Get that out of here. Then you got this big spring type thing here that holds those parking brakes in. Get that stuff out of the way. Then your shoes come out. Since the cable is already loose on that centerpiece, you want to maneuver this, slide this out a little bit, and remove the pin that holds the cable to your adjusting bracket there. Let me pull that out a little bit. With this pulled out, you need to get something and kind of punch that pin out, or just push it out, so that you can disconnect the cable from there. You may be able to pull it out with some needle nose pliers or something like that. What you do is pull this clip out here. This holds the brake cable into the back of this, I guess, axle knuckle assembly. And then there's also a clip there. Pull those two clips out and you'll be able to maneuver the cable out. I can get it out like that. I hope you've seen that. I just grabbed it with the needle nose pliers, use that as a force point. That's out. Got to do the same thing up there to the clip that's in the cable right there. Let me pull that clip out. Or something, wedge that so you get the clip out. Then the cable will pull out this way, and also pull out this way, and the cable's out. The person I'm pulling parts for thinks the ECU is on this side, and there it is. That is the ECU for this car. I had the one from the wrong side. So let me go ahead and pull that. Take this trim down with a couple T25s. I don't know how this is going to work with this parking brake thing here. And then I'll go from there. This threads through the trim. Now I'm going to unlatch this. Take this screw out of here. And see if this computer slides down and out of here. And there you have it. I unlatched the connector, took that screw out the bottom, and it maneuvered right down and out. So this is the ECU, not that other thing. This thing looked like it's been replaced. Are pretty weak on this car, so I'm not going to get them. I'm going to check and see if there's some on another 960, and I'll try to get those, but these are pretty weak. I wouldn't get them if I were you. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.